Aromatherapy can add an extra level of relaxation to your spa experience. Our CEO, Andrew Pullen, will explain how the aromatherapy capsule can be accessed and where the canister is located inside the spa. Andrew, I believe that this is the aromatherapy controller, is that right?
That's right, yes, you can control the amount of aroma that comes through with the air blower, as we discussed earlier, but it's also where you access the aromatherapy canister. So you can just lift it out, this pops out, you can put another one in. This particular one is citrus sorbet. You smell that?
Oh, delicious, I can indeed.
Can you imagine that coming through as you're reclining in your spa, and there's fragrances like lavender and pina colada and lots of different fragrances.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video has equipped you with some knowledge about the Vortex aromatherapy system.